Alright, so this one says which one of the following set of number contains all the factors of 20? And the first one, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Factors are numbers that can divide equally into another number without leaving a remainder. So as we can see, it would have been A. Very easy one. Number 2 says which of the following statement is not true? So look out for those little keywords, guys. We normally bold them or highlight them so you know that is very important. So we're looking for the lie. 0 is a prime number, and we know that 0 is not a prime number. Alright, so that would have been A. Go ahead, Katia.
Okay, so what is 7 square?
Cube.
Cube.
Yeah.
Cube. 3. So you would times 7 times 7 equals 49 times 7 equals 343 because there is a 3 cube.
Very good. So it's 3 times, right? So 7, 9, 63. 7, 4 is 24. 7, 4 is 28 plus the 6 give you 34. Very good. So that will be 343. Alright. So 7 cube means 7 times 7 times 7. Students might be tempted to say 21. 7 3 is 21. That's an error students make sometimes. But very good, Katia. Good job. Alright, so go ahead and do 4 and 5. You can do 6 too, guys, because 6 in the pictures. 6 in the pictures. So you can go ahead and do that. Thanks. Good job on those 3 though. Alright, number 4 says, what's the square root of 64? This sign means square root. And what it means, what number you multiply by itself, you multiply a number by itself to give you 64. And that is 8. So only 8 times 8 can give you 64. So that means the square root of 64 is 8. Just as if this says, what's the square root of 25? You're saying what number multiplied by itself can give you 25? And that would be 5. Because only 5, 5, 25. Alright? In this case, it would have been D. The next one says, what is 82,000 written in standard form? Now, standard form means that the decimal point should be here. This has to be between 0 and 10. Alright? So what we do, we're going to move the decimal point and carry it to here. But where is the decimal point? All numbers, the decimal point is located to the right. If it's a whole number, it's located directly to the right. So all we have to do now, come all the way from there, count the number of places, and that will be our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So because we move 4 times, what we do is 8.2 times 10 to the number of places we move. Now we move 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 10 to the 4. Or 10 to the 4th power. For 6, it says, what is 9.3 times 10 to the 6 written as an integer? So all we're doing is just basically multiplying by 10 to the 6. So in that case, we're going to move the decimal point 6 times to our right. Once we multiply, we move into our right. When we divide, we move into our left. So I'm going to put couple 0 before we start so we can get 6 times because it has to be 6, right? Alright, so let's try first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to add the next one. Make 6. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. You know, it's actually this one. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, Miller, you were actually correct. Yeah, because it's 6 times, so it should have been C.
Yes, sir.
I thought it was to the fifth, you know. This one, guys, is difficult. It's on one day in England, the temperature outside was -6 degrees Celsius. The temperature inside was 24. What was the difference in temperature? Work out that one, then what you guys get, and then this is not really a part of our syllabus, but still try, alright? Alright, so let's look at it from a practical point of view. Temperature work this way. If it's below 0, it's negative. So it would be here. So -6 would be about here. And then now 24 degrees would be above. So this point would be 0, right? So they want the distance from here to here. So just think of it as you have to go 24 plus you have to go down 6 more. So it's actually 30. 24 plus 6. Alright, I know people might say -18 or +18 because they are saying -6 plus 24. But it's not really that. You just want the distance. Remember, temperature have to do with how cool it is or how hot it is, right? So this is really cold and this is cool. So they want the difference. And the difference between the two temperatures is 30. Right, let's move on to number 8. We're gonna skip number 8. Go ahead and do number 9, 10, and 11. Number 9 says solve 1 minus 0.5. Well, the bracket plus 0.13 plus 0.2. While 10 says a customer buys a bag of flour that costs $2.79 and a box of eggs that costs $4.65. How much change should the customer receive from $10? For this, for this one, we have to work out what's inside the bracket, right? Order of operation. So when you add in, decimal point must be under decimal point. 0 plus 3, 3, 2 and 1, 3, and that 8. So this should be 8. So this is 0.
Sir, I put the last one.
Alright, so we're gonna take away 0.83 from 1. So we can see say that it'll be 0.17, right? When you subtract. Alright, a customer buys a bag of flour that costs $2.79 and a box of egg that costs $4.65. How much change would the person receive? So we need to find the total first that it's gonna cost, first of all. So I could add 5 and 9, 14, 4 carry 1. 7 and 1, 8 and 6, 14. Put decimal point on a decimal point. 4 and 2, 6 and 1, 7. So that's $7.44. So if we're going to take that from 10, another way you could have done it once you get the 744, you could have added these numbers to which one of them get it, right? 4 from this, I can't, so I'm going to go all the way over here. 4 from that leave 6, 4 from that leave 5, and then this 2. So that would be A, 2.76. And the last one now, we have 42 times 1.05. So we could just convert this to a whole number, multiply, and then we put back in there. Alright, so 2, 5, 10, 0 carry the 1, 2, 0, 0, and that 1, 2 ones, 2. With a 0 because we know multiplying by 40, 4, 5, 20, 4, 0, 0, and that 2, and then 4 ones, 4. To add now, this will give us 0, 1 and 0, 1. that give you 4 and then 4. Remember, we add 2 decimal places to begin with, so we have to have 2 decimal places in the end. So that will be C, 44.10. Alright, let's look at the, which might be the last two, 12 and 13 for today. How many 0.75 liter bottles of water can be filled from 6 liters of water? And what is 0.7 times 0.5? Complete. See if I can complete those guys before class end, alright? Alright, so this says how many 0.75 liters bottles of water can be filled from 60 liters. So two things about this question. They tell you how much the bottle can hold and they give you the total that you have. So you know that is division, basically. It's the same unit, so liters and liters, so that should not be a problem. But we know that once we divide in by decimal, we have to change the decimal to a whole number. And whatever we do, in order to get it to become a whole number, we have to do the same to the dividend. So we change the divisor, so move 2 times. So it means that we're going to do the same thing for this. We know that it's here, so we have to move it 2 times. So 1, 2. So now we have 6,000 divided by 75. You see that, guys? Let me rub out the 6. I don't know why the 6 picture is here. Everything I rub out. Yeah. So this is what we're really going to be dividing. Alright? Everybody see?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so let's divide now. So first thing you're going to say 75 into 6. You can't. So that out. Then you say 75 into 60. You can't same way. Then you're going to say 75 into 600. Now, if you look at it, 750 would that make 10? So about 8 or 9? 8. Alright, yeah. So that will 8 times. So we have to multiply the 8 by the 75 now. 8, 5, 40. 8, 7, 56. Plus the 4, 60. So exactly 600. Subtract, we get with 0. Carry down the 0. So 75 into this, 0 times. So our answer would be 80. And the last one for today, 0.75 times that. We know when we multiply, we just ignore the decimal point. 75, 35, right? However, we had 2 decimal places, one here plus another one here. So it's supposed to have 1, 2 decimal places. So it would have been C. Alright, so guys, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. All being well, alright?
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
take
sir.
care. Alright, guys, take care. See you guys. Get some rest during the week, alright?
Yes, sir. Bye.
Alright, thanks. Yeah. So the number there who want it, come out, come out. I'll see you guys in another video. Big up everybody, big up everybody.